One of the key questions we will consider is whether the metaverse can be considered a platform. The answer to this question depends on the definition of platform that we consider and on which aspects of the metaverse we focus on. One way to think about the metaverse is as an innovation platform, similar to platforms like iOS or Android. According to Cusumano and colleagues, 2019, innovation platforms are defined as architectures upon which others can foster innovation and develop new services. In this sense, the metaverse can be seen as a platform that enables users and developers to create and innovate within the virtual environment. For example, developers may be able to create new virtual experiences or games that can be accessed within the metaverse, while users may be able to customize their virtual avatars to create and share their own virtual content. Another way to think about the metaverse is as a transactional two-sided platform, as it enables various kinds of transactions to take place within the virtual environment. Users can buy digital goods and services within virtual worlds like Fortnite, for example, which is often considered an example of a metaverse. In this case, the metaverse serves as a platform that enables users to purchase virtual goods and services, and it also enables developers to monetize their virtual contents through the sale of these goods and services. It is not difficult to think about possible multi-sided extensions and data-driven orthogonal platforms. Metaverse can also be seen as a meta platform, or a multi-layer platform that opens up opportunities and challenges for companies. Similarly to what happened with blockchain, we can see a double perspective coexisting. On the one hand, we can talk about the technological platform that enables the metaverse. Meta, for example, is building its own metaverse starting from a technological architecture done by both the Quest handset and the operating system that enables the other developers to build applications for their virtual worlds and to directly interact with their apps in the Horizon world through a Meta API and Meta SDK. On the other hand, as it happens with smartphones, on top of its innovation platform, Meta developed also a transactional two-sided platform called SideQuest. SideQuest is a platform that allows developers to distribute their virtual reality contents to users of the Oculus Quest. SideQuest acts as a marketplace for VR contents, enabling developers to sell their creation to users and providing users with access to a wide range of VR experiences. Still, as it happens in the traditional world, in the metaverse, other players can develop services based on platform models. Examples? Well, one is straightforward: YouTube, with its VR version. Another example can be VooReach, a service developed by a company called RiftCat that allows users of the Oculus Quest to play PC-based virtual reality games on their handset. VooReach acts as a two-sided platform because it serves both users and developers. Users can use VooReach to access a wide range of PC-based VR games on their Oculus Quest, while developers can use VooReach to make their games available to a wider audience of Quest users. The platform's implication for the metaverse may not be over. The interoperability mentioned in many definitions of what the metaverse may be, meaning the chance to have many virtual worlds that can interact one with the others, may push platform models to a complete new level. Possibly, we still have to understand and discover them. We talked about the implication of the metaverse for the platforms in terms of models. But what about companies? Let's try to answer, taking into consideration the various types of organization we may think of. Established traditional linear value chain companies may be considering entering the metaverse, but they may be unsure whether to join an existing platform, develop their own platform, or simply replicate their business model within the virtual environment. For example, a traditional brick-and-mortar retailer may be wondering whether it makes more sense to create a virtual version of its store within the metaverse, or whether it would be more beneficial to join an existing platform like Second Life or Minecraft that already has a large user base. Similarly, new startups may be wondering how to approach the metaverse and what role they can play within it. Should they create their own platform or join an existing one? Existing platforms may also be wondering how they can evolve and adapt to the metaverse. For example, an online marketplace like Amazon may be considering how to integrate in the virtual world all the services of its platform, or to create its own virtual presence in the metaverse. For all these questions, we suggest the same answer. Let's try to embrace platform thinking as an innovation mindset, and let's try to use it to understand what's the best way to create and capture value given the assets that we have at our disposal. In the last 3 videos of this MOOC, we will go through 3 different perspectives to prepare for the future thinking about the metaverse. We will start with the power of imagining the future to deal with it. We will move to the strategies to approach the metaverse, and finally, we will close with the mindset and the role of platform thinking.